So just a little more background on the case. So Milligan, as you heard, is a challenge to Alabama's redistricting plan that they passed in 2021, late 2021, after the census data came out from the 2020 census, for its 7 seats in the U.S. House of Representatives. So the plaintiffs in the case, and that's Evan Milligan and other individual voters, as well as the State Conference of the NAACP and Greater Birmingham Ministries, filed a lawsuit challenging the congressional map for violating Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act. So Section 2, as you've heard, prohibits redistricting plans that dilute the voting power of voters of color by either packing them in large numbers into just a few or even only one district, in this case only one, or, and sometimes also by cracking communities of color across multiple districts so that their influence in any specific district is minimized. And Alabama did both of those things. They packed a large number of the state's Black voters into one majority Black district, and that district is currently represented by Congressperson Terry Sewell, and then cracking the state's remaining Black voters across a number of districts. And in particular, the Alabama map cracked an area of Alabama called the Black Belt, which is largely rural and is home to a significant percentage of the state's Black population. That part of the state, part of the Black Belt was put into the one majority Black district in the state, and the remainder was split into 3 different congressional districts. So you can imagine the impact on people's ability to be heard by their representatives when what is essentially one community has to go to 3 different representatives to be heard, and they are a small minority of that representative's constituents. So that is the issue that we were looking at in the Milligan case. And that is what the district court found violated Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act.